Hello po sa inyo mga kababayan. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Duterte Street. Hello po, magandang hapon. It's already 3:31 in the afternoon and we are basically just in front of the detention facility and I'm heading towards the place na tinatawag ng mga Pilipinong sumusuporta kay PRRD na Duterte Street. It's relatively sunny today mga kababayan. The sun is out, however, alam ko naman na yung weather dito ay talagang unpredictable. Nandito po tayo ngayon. That is the Duterte Street. Okay? I would like to show you saan po gaganapin ang birthday celebration ng ating pinakamamahal na dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. This is going to be a celebration of the greatest president of the Republic of the Philippines for his 81st birthday. So, mga kababayan, yan po ang crossing area kung saan, kung doon po kayo bababa from bus 22, dadaan po kayo dito guys. Okay, this will serve as a reference to everybody. Pag huminto na po kayo dyan, antayin nyo lang po na mag-green siya, and then, tatawid po kayo dyan sa road na yan, hanggang makapunta kayo dito. Once makapunta po kayo dito, maglakad lang po kayo dito mga kababayan, and a few meters, you will reach this area. Ito po ang pinaka-landmark, yung blue na toilet. Then there will be barricades here. And this is basically right in front kung saan po talaga nagsimula ang lahat. Dito po mga kababayan, this is where it all started. This is where all the Filipinos who supported and who stayed even at the most coldest day, during that most coldest day, March 12, 2025. Dito po kami nagtipon-tipon lahat papunta doon sa entrance. That is the entrance. Well, that was apparently dyan nila pinakita na pinasok daw dyan si PRRD using a convoy, but unfortunately that's not actually the case. So, ito po, that is basically the International Criminal Court Detention Facility, and right across that is what we call the Duterte Street. Now, once you enter the Duterte Street, mga kababayan, dito po talaga, this became the safe haven of all Filipinos na nagmamahal kay PRRD. Dito po kami, nagtitipon-tipon, nagpapakita ng suporta at presensya, ganito, dito po kami lahat. So, ngayon, ang permit po na binigay sa atin ng Municipality of The Hague ay 600 square meters. 600 square meters po siya mga kababayan. So that means that it's going to be from here, all the way there. Hanggang sa dulo po mga kababayan. Basically, the symbolism of this is that lahat ng space na ito papunta doon, facing the detention facility, we will all occupy this. The supporters of the former president. Dito po natin gaganapin ang ating birthday party celebration. We will be preparing flags or small flags for us, leaflets, para hawakan. So ito po yung guys, ito po yung lugar kung saan magbi-birthday si PRRD. Punuin po natin ito ng mga sangkatutak ng mga Pilipino dito, papunta hanggang doon sa dulo guys. Literally facing the detention. This is the detention already. So that, during the program, pag nag-happy birthday tayo lahat dito mga kababayan, talagang maririnig ni PRRD yan doon. That's why we really took the effort of securing a permit dito mismo sa Duterte Street in order for PRRD to hear us when we sing happy birthday. Yan po. Ganyan. Yan. So all the way there, napakadulo doon sa pinakadulo talaga. That is where we're going to hold the historic. Bakit ba sinasabi na historic, guys? Because this is the first time that the Netherlands will see a group of, or a race, a supporter of somebody incarcerated inside the detention facility, nagpakita ng pagmamahal sa kanya, times 2 pa nung birthday niya ng 80th birthday. This time, ito talaga will be the time na ipakita natin, no, even after 1 year, on his 81st birthday, we remain strong, we remain unwavering in our pagmamahal at suporta kay PRRD. So yan, hopefully lahat tayo, we will feel all the way back there. And that media will definitely find it so surreal, including the media here in the Netherlands, na makita nila na a group of supporters of the former president of the Philippines, the Republic of the Philippines, showed something that that hasn't been done ever before. This is the first time po, mga kababayan. That's why the symbolism is so overwhelming na hindi po natin pwedeng disregard. That's why I urge everybody, if you are free on the 28th of March, to come and be present. Join us. We will be having some guests as well, performing and also giving a speech or whatnot. There will be important personalities that will be here for them to be able to also join and show their unwavering support to the former president. And that is something historic that hasn't been done ever. Even before. This is going to be the first time that we're going to mark such a tremendous show of support to the man. Because if this man, former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, is nothing but a killer, a criminal, or how other individuals frame him to be, why would individuals, Filipinos like us, do the extreme, push the extreme, just to make a statement that he is well loved and adored, just to celebrate a birthday of the man who touched so many lives, who changed so many lives, mga kababayan. That is the main reason why I strongly urge that us Filipinos, we show solidarity, we show support, that we can feel all the way, we can feel all the way there, the street o the Duterte Street, mga kababayan. So magkita-kita po tayo during that time. We will be giving giveaways, and it's definitely for free, and it's until supply lasts or until maubos na po lahat ang available. So sana po na magkita-kita tayo during that time, that significant moment of history dito sa atin, sa ating buhay, mga kababayan, na bilang isang Pilipino, hindi tayo natakot na ipakita ang ating pagmamahal para kay PRRD. At wala pong maglalakad dyan sa gilid, mga kababayan. We are going to close it because that's what the permit entails. Yan. And also, mga kababayan, one way is that we are going to broadcast it to the entire world. I-broadcast po natin so that simultaneously anybody in the world or all the gatherings in the world will be able to also hear what it is that we are actually going to do. So yun po. Bring your energy, bring yourself, bring your unwavering love and support and steadfast dedication to the former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte, who's going to celebrate his 81st birthday. This man should be emulated with respect to his nationalistic perspective, his nationalism, his patriotism, his love for the country and the Filipino people should be emulated by the next generation or the future generation of Filipinos. So ipaglaban po natin itong taong ito, not because he is a man, but because of the things that he has done for the country and the principles that he embodies. Ipaglaban natin siya in the same way na ipinaglaban niya ang Pilipinas at ang Pilipino during the time that nobody would even dare to confront the problem permeating in our society. Lumaban tayo, ipaglaban natin siya in the ways that we could do. Kasi wala naman tayong kapangyarihan para ma-impact ang judicial proceedings. So we show our love and support to the man through our small ways. And this is through our gathering. This is through our showing of moral support. This is through showing historical movement that will mark down in history as the first of its kind, as the first of its instance, no? Na ginawa ng mga supporters dito mismo sa lugar na tinatawag nila the center of international justice. And that's no longer just the center of international justice and how they regard it. This is also the safe haven of Filipinos, steadfast individuals, free people who survived three colonialism, who survived external forces, who survived all of the paninira, pananakot na para hindi tayo magpakita ng pagmamahal kay PRRD. So sana magpakita tayong lahat sa araw na yan, and let us fill the street, and let us be together, let us be one, and on that very special day, we are united through the principles embodied in that one, in Him. Diba? Ipaglaban po natin si PRRD in the same way how he, without any second thoughts or without any reservation, ipinaglaban niya ang bayan. In the same way, maraming mga taong na bago ang kanilang buhay, bumalik na sa kanilang normal na pag-iisip dahil sa kanya. So dapat ipaglaban din natin siya. This is our bit of giving back to the man what he did for the country. Ilaban natin ito hanggang sa dulo. Correct.